Samsung may finally be fixing one of the biggest problems Galaxy Ultra fans have complained about for years. And if the latest leaks are true, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could bring some of the biggest changes we've seen in a long time. Samsung is reportedly working on a new design for the Galaxy S27 Ultra, and one of the biggest changes could be the camera layout. Instead of the familiar look we've seen for years, Samsung may switch to a horizontal camera arrangement. But this change is not just about looks. The main goal could be creating more space inside the phone for a much larger battery. For years, Samsung has stayed with a 5000 mAh battery on its Ultra phones, while many competitors kept increasing battery sizes. Other brands have moved ahead with newer battery technology, and even Apple has now crossed the 5000 mAh mark on its latest flagship devices. Samsung's battery setup has started to feel behind the competition, but that may finally change. According to recent reports, Samsung is planning a major battery upgrade for the Galaxy S27 Ultra. The exact capacity has not been revealed yet, but sources claim it will be a significant improvement rather than a small increase. What's even more interesting is that Samsung wants a bigger battery without making the phone heavier. In fact, the company is said to be working on reducing the overall weight while keeping the thickness close to the current model. If Samsung manages to pull that off, it could be one of the most practical upgrades in years, and that's not the only upgrade being rumored. Leaks suggest the Galaxy S27 Ultra could feature a massive 6.9-inch flat 2K LTPO OLED display with Samsung's newer M16 panel technology. Powering the phone may be the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro chip, built on a 2nm processor, paired with RAM and ultra-fast UFS 5.0 storage. On the camera side, Samsung is expected to keep its focus on photography with a 200-megapixel HP6 main sensor, with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel 5x periscope zoom lens. The new horizontal camera design could also give the phone a fresh look compared to previous Ultra models. Other rumored features include a Qi2 wireless charging support, an aluminum frame, USB 3.2 connectivity, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Another big surprise could be the arrival of a brand new Galaxy S27 Pro. This model is expected to sit between the standard version and the Ultra, while offering several premium features. Reports suggest it could feature a 6.5-inch display, skip the S Pen entirely, and pack a large 5000 mAh battery despite its smaller size. Samsung is also expected to give its camera hardware very close to the Ultra model, making it a serious option for users who want flagship features without carrying Samsung's biggest phone. The cameras are also getting attention. The Galaxy S27 Pro could feature camera hardware very close to the Ultra model, with the biggest difference being the zoom system. Leaks point to a new 50-megapixel 3.5x zoom camera. Meanwhile, the Ultra is expected to focus more on long-range zoom performance. That means Samsung may finally give buyers two flagship camera experiences instead of making the smaller model feel like a watered-down version. Right now, the Galaxy S27 series is expected to launch in January or February 2027, and pricing could start around $1,299, while the new Galaxy S27 Pro may arrive somewhere near the $999 mark. That's all for now. Be sure to subscribe, and stay tuned for more Galaxy S27 Ultra updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.